Ito panembra ko, alam mo nakagoal eh. Right, I'm Santi Adralin. First of all, Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. Today is also the feast day of the Holy Family, and the readings today would have been really a good conversation with Dad, especially about the family and which he stood for. No? Today is also, talking about families, today is also the 18th anniversary of me and Vanya. But this is not about me and Vanya. This is about Dad. Dad, kakambyo ko ng maayos to. So, one of the things I'd like to share, I only have 3 points. First is I love talking to Dad. We have good conversations on the dining table or in the car or when we travel. We really, especially the past 2 years, he really took time to talk to us. What? He really took time to talk to us and get to know us, even the state of our families, my sisters, and that is something that I really will remember. And anyway, going back, good advice. Back in 2004, before Vanya and I became a couple, nagpaalam ako kay Dad. Siyempre kay Mom din, nagpaalam ako. Maganda rin advice ni Mom, pero it's not true today. So nagpaalam ako, Dad, nagpapaalam ako, magliligaw po ako kay Vanya, etc. And then, siyempre nag-i-expect ako ng magandang payo or magandang God bless, or I'll pray over you or what. Ang sabi lang niya sa akin, good luck. Anyway, may copy pa to. So yun, nagpaalam ako kay Dad. After a few years, I tried again. This time, yun, siguro tumalab na yung good luck niya. But when we got married, I don't know when was that, a year or 2 after, nalaman ko na kaya pala naging open ulit for us to be together, kami ni Vanya, kaya pala naging open siya, is because Dad spoke to Vanya. Kinamusta niya ano nangyari sa amin, and Dad said na, you just keep the friendship. So, yun. The friendship was open, and sabi nga ni Tito Alex, ang lakas pala ng bakal mo. So, Dad, I will miss your yung good advices mo sa akin, the times that we talk, especially kung nandun tayo sa San Vicente recently. He really took time to talk to us, and I bet he spoke to everybody. The next point I'd like to share is the greatness of Dad. And I'm not talking about his papal title or his being a pontifical council for 2 popes, not the CFC servant leader or the MFC or the LSE moderator or all his titles. No? There's one time we were coming from a teaching night, I believe. Maghiwalay kami ng kotse, ako, si Vanya, si Dad, and si Mom. And tumawag si Mom kay Vanya. Palit daw ng kotse. So anong ibig sabihin? Lipat daw si Vanya kay Mom and then si Dad sa akin. Or something like that. So, apparently, umuwi na si Mom and Vanya, and then kami, kala ko may pupuntahan pa kami iba. Sabi niya, gusto ko kasi kumain. Sabi niya, kasi yung dalawa natin kasama dun, hindi naman sasama yan eh. So, nag-iya siya magpares. Dun, Sumulong Highway corner, Marcos Highway, may parisan dun, yung tig 30 pesos. Yung tig 30. Enjoy siya dun. Sobrang siyang enjoy. Not because of, but I really feel like, in spite of his titles and greatness, Dad was very humble, very simple. Just like the God who became man. Lastly, the great adventure. You can see he has his shirt here, dadaanan niya yung the great adventure shirt. I think he just wore that last Sunday when we visited him as a family. And that shirt na naalala ko, he wore that the whole time. In fact, parang wala na yata, hindi na yata kita yung print. No? But I believe he really believed in that shirt. And all of us here because of the great adventure that we have in the life in Jesus Christ. Sabi ni Tito Lachi kanina, and many of us who have testified here that marami sa atin dito na daanan, sabi ni Father kanina, ng tubig ni Dad Frank. Yung families in the Holy Spirit renewing the face of the earth. Naging totoo yan sa family ko. All my parents became couples, my siblings became community members now. They're all handmaids. And it all really trickled down yung vision na yan to real people, real families. If you go out there, or kanina from 7 a.m. or kung ano oras tayo nag-start until now, marami kang maririnig ng testimonies ng mga natulungan niya or na-lead niya to Christ. And I would like to thank you for all of this, for all the greatness of being simple, your humility, the great adventure that is in Jesus Christ, and yung good advice na binigay mo sa amin. And I promise I'll do my best to take care of my family and Vanya and lead and follow you. And hope to see you in heaven, and please say hi to Giovanni for all of us. Thank you.